Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to remove WordPress completely from your website using cPanel. As you can see, currently my website is working perfectly. So to remove WordPress from your website, go to your cPanel, open File Manager and phpMyAdmin in a new tab. Then go to the File Manager and select the root folder of your domain. Normally public_HTML is the root folder of a domain, but I am using an add-on domain, so I will select this folder. Now right click on the wp-config.php file and view this file and see the database name. This is the database which you need to delete. Now go to the phpMyAdmin tab and find the correct database. As you can see, this is the correct database. By the way, if you have only one website on your hosting account, then you will see only one database. But if you have multiple websites on your hosting account, then you need to find the correct database. This database name and this database name is same. Now to confirm again, click on the plus sign and click on the wp_options. Here you will see your domain name, which means you are going to delete the correct database. Now to delete the database, select the database and scroll down to the bottom and click check all to select all the tables. Now click on the drop down menu and click drop. Now click yes to remove the database. Now go to your website and refresh this page. You will see a WordPress installation page, but you don't want to install the WordPress. Go to the File Manager again and make sure you are on the root folder of your domain. Select all the files and click delete. You can also click skip the trash and permanently delete the files. Now click confirm. Now go back to your website and open your domain again. This time you will just see index off, which means you have successfully removed the WordPress from your website. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.